Hello, let's get 2025 started with a new supply challenge, shall we? Hello buddy, it's Edwina from My Craft Orchard. How are you? Yes, 2025, I am feeling really inspired to try something new, to use my stash up. I have, if you've been here a while, you know I have stickers and watercolours and crafting stuff and you name it, pens galore, art stuff galore, the lot. And don't use it, don't use it. So this year I am looking at our supply challenge that I run as a bit of a let's do a yearly project, shall we? So the people I'm being inspired by to start with is Romany's Realm, and if you've ever done One Book July, you'll know Romany's part of the gang who sort that out, and she does live streams. She's fantastic. I always find some gems of information in her videos. Everything's linked down below that I'm talking about, by the way. I always find inspiration with Romany, and she's been keeping a journal, and she's got her journal that she used to keep, and it's something similar to this, which this is my new art journal. It's a sketchbook, and she takes one of these and she sticks things in and she makes lists and she does a bit of art in there, and then she'll do something else, and then she'll make another list, and then she'll I've got to remember this, so she a memory that was something I've done. And so she uses a book like this as a journal, as an art book, as a something to do that, and she's recently done a series of videos getting back into journaling, and I'm inspired, really inspired. So that is something I'm an idea that I'm looking at. Maybe we'll do something, something like that. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the Unexpected Gypsy, and she is purely art, but she's got such a lovely, nice, flowy voice, and the way she just talks is, I just feel always inspired and relaxed at the same time when I watch her. And she takes, again, she's just done a video on starting a new journal like this, and how to give yourself permission. You write yourself a permission slip, put it in the front of your journal, and to say, yes, you can do this, the intention for this book is such and such. I've also, last year, I was having a play. I went to a couple of conferences, planner conferences, and these are the sort of things we did, using inks and stencils and things. So this was me playing last year, and I just wanted to show you, this is the sort of thing I've been doing. I've really enjoyed it, and so this is the sort of thing that I personally am planning on doing with my art supplies. There's no collaging in there, if you know. That is just pure art. So how am I going to do that? So first of all, this I've done a video on my planner stack for the year, so I'll link that down below. Go and check that out. This is including this. That is it's a Kimball cover, but the inside is a Kimball book, and it's an A6 book, so I can take this and put it into all of the different A6 covers I've got throughout the year. And I want to do a bit of commonplace in here. Whatever your definition of commonplace is, this is mine. So the idea is to, because it's undated, it's an undated planner, I'm going to fill out the months, and then I've put like memories or gratitude or something in there, and then these lovely A6 pages at the back, I'm going to use my stickers, my washi tape, my ephemera, memory keeping, different coloured pens. I'm hoping, I haven't tried it out yet, that this paper, and I believe the Kimball paper takes fountain pen, so I want to start using all my fountain pen inks and all of those sort of things. So this is sort of using my stickers, my stash, that sort of thing, as a memory keeper for every day, and so that journaling bit that I want to do. So and that's that was sort of inspired, and all of this was also inspired by, I think it's Shananku Art, and she keeps like a multimedia journal. So what I'll do, I will link the videos I've been watching down below. So this this is my supply challenge project, let's say. Now this was totally and utterly inspired by Marion's World, and she kept last year a nature calendar. So what she did, she cut out a round piece of card or watercolour paper, which was probably about this big, and she separated into days. So for January, it would have been, January was 1 to 31 days in a circle like that, with a circle in the middle with January. And what she did then was she took each day, she went into the garden, picked up a leaf or a stone or something, brought it back in, and used her watercolours to draw or paint this leaf that she'd picked up. I'll link her video below. The way she explains it is absolutely amazing. It was to improve her watercolouring. It was a project that she did every day, so by watercolouring every day, she then improved her watercolouring. And I thought, that is a genius, tiny little project, you know. I mean, that it wasn't a very big sort of piece of work to do. It took 5 or 10 minutes. As long as her stuff was out, it wouldn't take long at all. So that got me thinking, what can I do with my supplies, my stickers, my ephemera, my pens, my inks, all of those sort of things? Yes, I could do a journal. I could have a play like this, or I can make a yearbook and, you know, look at maybe nature, or, you know, pick a theme for each month. So this was in my stash. We're shopping the stash. Everything I do in here will be out of my stash, okay? And I found this was a 6-piece clipboard album, but as you can see, it came with 2 rings, and this is from Do Crafts. I'm not sure whether they make it anymore, I'm hoping they do, but it comes with like 6 pieces of this sort of cardboard albumy things. Now I'm not sure whether the idea is you actually decorate the cardboard itself, or whether you put your stuff in it and make an album. That's what I'm going to do, by the way. I'm going to take 2 of these pieces of card and the rings, and I have got some watercolour paper which I'm going to cut to the same size, and then I'm going to do a cover page, because that's the one thing I miss out of my bullet journal, is doing a cover page. So for January, I'm going to put January in the middle, and then I'm going to decorate the page, and then I can turn over and leave it blank, or stick stuff on, or, you know, and just sort of as I go through the month, maybe once a week, maybe more depending on how much time I've got. It might be I just have a cover page and another page of memories or something. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to pan out, but I've got 6, so I could do, you know, 4 months in each book. It depends how thick it is, I suppose. It depends how much I do. Because it's a loose leaf, I can use my watercolours, mixed media stuff. If I do, I can actually use loose leaf and do my jelly printing, because I bought one of those last year and never used it, so I could do some jelly printing and I could put those in. I could just get a piece of paper and just wash it and then do some doodling on it. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. But that's what I'm going to do for my supply challenge. I'm going to cut some of the paper I've got in my stash, and I'm going to make a journal for starting with a cover page for each month, and then just seeing what I can put in. There are a few challenges out there for arts and arting and stuff like that. That you could follow. There's the 100-day challenge, where you make art, you draw, you do stuff for 100 days. So there's something like that. There's always journaling prompts that you could pick up. That is something I'm thinking I might do. Maybe I'll create my own journaling prompts and do that with this. Let's see, haven't fully decided. This is just the introduction. However, come January, I'll have a really good idea of what I'm doing, and I'll be able to show you how I've started and hopefully inspire you as well. Comment down below Have you got a lot of supplies, journaling, arts, washi tape, the lot? How are you trying to find ways of using them? Because remember, if you don't use your supplies, they will start sticking together or going dry, or just, you know, just because it's beautiful and you don't want to use it doesn't mean it's not going to spoil at some point, because sometimes these things happen. So make sure you have subscribed to watch how this journal pans out, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.